Welcome to Brookhaven RP. So guys, hi guys. We're gonna testing the car ride, guys. Just second. There we go, guys. We're gonna car ride this time. We're gonna car ride this time, guys. See? We're gonna testing the car in a purple car. This one, it looks like Brendan's TFG vlogs. So yeah, this the new Brookhaven RP. Okay, can I? Oh, I can peep peep. Oh, I don't have any Robux, so I'm just gonna go right. I don't have any Robux. Get out. Okay, I will just drive a car just in second. Just not, just no sound. No. That was looks amazing. Okay, stop. Okay. He looks like the car ride, guys. Okay, let's go there. Let's go to car ride for hours. Come on, watch out! Phew! Okay, there's the car there, so... Oh, this dude... Oh no. Okay, here's the farm plate that I went there. Just be quiet, guys. Guys, he looks like Adastria Trip in Roblox Adastria Trip. I played that this much, so I can't drive it. So I can't do it anything. So that's good. That's be careful, so it doesn't bumpy in my car. Just a second. It looks like the uniform, guys. Looks like the uniform is the funniest day ever. Looks like my classmate is. Go run away, my friends. Why I'm driving glitching, guys? Okay, here's my house. Okay, you should stop now. Okay, I will just click it. But 30 seconds. This is my home. Is Brookhaven house. Home. Okay, let's click it. I will choose the this. How about this one? What? What? I drive to the... Okay. How about let's try the... How about let's try the green car? You know what? That's okay. Oh, I can knock it. Okay, let's try the purple. Let's try the purple one. There. That looks amazing. So that guy won't catch in my house. Okay. Let's watch TV. Brookhaven TV. Big. Brookhaven. Brookhaven. Oh my god. Pause. You know what? This is our house now. So yeah. This looks like amazing date on my life. You know what? Let's try the car ride just seconds. Okay, let's go there. Watch out! Whee! Oh. Okay, they miss. You know what? Let's go to the beach, guys. We're gonna Brookhaven. Okay. We're gonna drive again. So this not bumpy. Oh my god. Let's try because with 2 seconds. Okay. Let's go. Also, my car is so fast. Oh, there's the airport. So I'm not gonna go there. What's that noise? Okay. There's the portal. Open? No. Brookhaven dinner. Dinner? No. I don't know. He looks like the Utot car. He looks like dancing car. I want to find the beach. Where's the beach? I need to find the beach, guys. Oh no, don't bumpy. I need to find the beach. Oh, there is no. No, that's a farm. Dang it. There's Robux. So, where's the darn beach? Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. Oh my. What's that say? Wait! No! I want to go back. Go! Cherry, RD, Apple, Aspen, LN. Come on, please. Come on, I wanna go to the darn beach. Yes, go. Oh my god. I don't have any. Oh my god. I don't have any. You know what? Let's go there. Let's keep driving the car. Come on, please. I made it. Come on. I want to go to the made it. Go. Oh, yes. Yes, there is. Yes. Finally. What's that say? Boats spawn beyond this pond. Okay. Can I dip? Can I dip now? Wait. Try. Okay, no. Let's hit. Yo, I don't have any Robux. Get out of here now. Okay, let's go back again. So that's no bumpy allowed, okay? Let's go back. Whatever you want, I guess. Okay, we're home. Why does the people excited my house? You know what? I'm just gonna ban you anywhere. Oh my god, I will ban you. Where are you? I'm going to ban you. Come on. I'm going to ban you. No. Stop running away. This girl. Yes. I will. You. You're not gonna go to my house anyway. Get over here. Haha. No. Don't steal my car anyway. If you steal my car, or else I will be mad again, okay? Don't do that again, huh? You're so bad, huh? Okay. Come on. Oh my god. Drive already. Drive already. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, drive already. No. Haha, you cannot go to my house, boy. You cannot go. You should go to my house now. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on, go, go, go. No, 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 no. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Mr. No, don't car disappear to my house. No, no, no. No! Come on. You not understand. Yo, the car is broken. Okay, let's go to my bed. Okay, come on, come on. Until you wait. Why does that? Can I not? Burn the house? Can I? Yo! Okay, let's go to the swimming pool. Swimming pool. Let's click it. Click it. Click the swimming pool. Can I not look? Oh no. Where's the swimming pool? Okay, I will say E. Okay. Ah, okay. Hey, you gonna rob my house? Don't rob my house, okay? If you rob it, I will smack you in your head. Don't rob my house, bro. Okay. Okay, let's hide there. Oh, the fish looks like a fish. Don't rob my house, okay? Don't you dare rob my house, okay? If you rob my house, I will ban you. Purple. Thank you, my favorite. Yeah, let's do laptop, guys. Let's do ano. And okay, it's done. It's time to go sleep. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.